Hey guys, this is Balaji Ranganathan here, and my daughter Samriti Balaji. She wanted to have an interview done on her about scratch.mit.edu and the work she has been doing lately. So we're going to talk to her about how she got interested into it and what she's doing and how much time she's spending on daily basis and what's her interests are. Okay, let's go. Hey, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay. I know that you have been lately doing a lot of scratch.mit.edu work. What was interesting you and how did you come to know about it first?
So I went to a coding night, and once I saw a club that's Girls Who Code, they were telling me they were doing Scratch, but I can join that Scratch club only when I'm third grade. And first I did some coding and all of that, and then after that Scratch was right into my mind that I started making new projects.
Oh, okay. Before Scratch, what was in your mind?
For the beginners, they were doing some from getting started tutorials. I was watching that, and then after that, I started doing I'm starting doing the tutorials what they said.
Okay, nice. But I was asking, what was in your mind before you came to know about Scratch? What were you doing all the day? Playing Roblox, I guess?
Yes, I was playing Roblox.
Yeah, and we said no to Roblox because it was having some sort of violence in there. Some people reported in Facebook, so we wanted to go to better ones, and we found the scratch.mit.edu, and she started doing that. And can you talk more about the Scratch?
Yeah, so once you log into your create section, you can create anything, and there's a tutorials box to know all tutorials. There's a tabs box for all the tabs. There's emotions, there's sensing, there's looks, there's events and sounds, and there's variables and blocks, and you can make a new tab that's in the bottom on your left side.
Okay, and what do you do with Scratch? I mean, do you create some games or something like that?
I don't make games, but I make adventures, I make some projects, and I make dance projects, which is only one project. And if I make mistakes, I just delete the projects, and then I'll start over again with my other projects I want to make.
Oh, nice to know that. Can you walk us through a little bit on Scratch?
Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm going to show it to everyone.
Yep.
First, I need to log in. I'm going to turn it this way so that no one can see the password.
Okay.
Because
good.
That's going to be Cyber 5. Junk. All right, let's log into Google right now. Okay, Google. All right, now let's go to Scratch. So some of my projects are in here, but they were not showing right now. So that's all. But this is the create. When you click that box, there's a kitty. For starters, they put the getting started. So I'm gonna put a title everyone wants to know. So I'm gonna put cats are meowtastic. And then they put you can add a backdrop to make it extra touch. I'm gonna say, since they're gonna meow, I'm gonna put it somewhere in the field, because cats can also play in the field. Who knows? And we need a when green clicked flag button, because we want the cat to do this. So when you click the when green flag button, she'll say, and then if you want to make a sound, you can go to play sound or stop sound until done. We're gonna do play sound. The start sound is different than the others, so click that green button, and then
Nice.
she's gonna say meow, so then they'll know who's saying meow. And if you want to add a sprite, you can go to choose a sprite and find a sprite that is a cat
Mm-hmm.
or a city bus, a chick, a champ, and a Calvert, Casey, anyone.
Mm-hmm.
For that, we're gonna do another cat. And then the first cat is gonna say, and the other cat is gonna say hello. So we're gonna looks again, but first we need a win green flag button. But first let her talk first, and then we're gonna let her talk. So this one first, and then this one.
Oh, you are waiting for 1 second so that the first cat can say meow and the second cat can say hello.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. There is a wait.
And then she can say, oh, oops, that's okay. So then she can say, meow as well. And then we can also put the sound. Then,
Oh, that's nice.
yeah. And then if you want to edit if you want to paint the characters, you can paint the characters. If you want to paint a new backdrop, you can paint a new backdrop. You can also paint a new character if you want.
Mm-hmm. And can you talk about the stuff over to your left?
Oh, these are the tabs. This is the motion tab. The motion tab is having like motions, like
You
all
can
of
move the
this.
characters around.
Yeah. And there's no jump set because I don't want or else it's gonna be like clumsy for them to jump. And this is the looks.
Mm-hmm.
So there can be a hello, 2 seconds, a hello, for 2 seconds, and and there's some, you can switch their characters, so you can switch their costumes, and one, the cat A, cat B. So if it's cat B, you have to switch it to cat A. If it's cat A, you have to switch it to cat B.
And
And
sound you have? Mm-hmm.
this is the play sound.
I have a doubt. Can I create my own sound as well?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So if you click this down button, you can see the sound meow, and you can put the record. And then once you click
Hey guys.
and once you click the record button, it would test your sound first, and then you can talk about what you want to know, or
What do you want to say?
yeah.
Okay. Nice.
and you can edit your sound. There's a fast sound and there's a slow sound. And you can echo your sound and robot sound, louder, softer, and reverse.
Nice.
The reverse one, if you click reverse, it would go backwards.
That's crazy. Okay, now we went to sounds, and what about events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and blocks?
So the event is the one green click the flag. So if you click the flag, it would say, so like
It would start. Okay.
yeah, it would start. If you click space, it would also start. So once you click space, they can talk and make sounds. And once you click your sprite, so let's remove the one green clicked flag button, and let's put a sprite. So once you click your sprite, look, it would be like,
You have to save them and run it?
yeah. So the cat is for when you click them. But, so once you click it, it would say and start. This one will be when green clicked, or you can make it different.
Yeah.
Each block can be different. So let's get rid of this sprite block and use and snap out that block again. So the when block backdrop switches to backdrop 1 is for the backdrop.
You can change the backdrops, okay.
And the when loudness is to make a loudness. And the message is you can make a message. So you can make, so when you put username, your project would say the others that are watching's the username. So the others that are watching my project is they're gonna say their new username. And the broadcast is to tell the username. And there's another one that says.
Oh, so if I'm a Scratch user and if I come here and look into your project, then you can reply back saying that, hey Balaji, because my username is Balaji. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
So control is to control your characters. So we already used this block. Oh, and you notice that you can
Change.
click the box that's empty and change it like 3 seconds or 1. But it has to be a number if you're going to use the control, event, or other boxes. But looks or sensing or other things
Can have words, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And this is the repeat box that says 10 in the circle. The forever box is to make it go
Run
forever.
forever?
Yeah.
Wow.
And if then I'm not sure. And this one, once I copy other projects, they're just having these if then and if then else projects.
So if then is basically if this happens,
Yeah.
then what do you want it to do? Else, then what do you want it to do?
Okay. And this is the wait until they say meow. And repeat until they say meow. Or stop all of them. And when I start a clone, I'm not sure if I can do clones because that would be terrible. And create a clone of myself or delete this clone. I would rather use delete this clone if I made a mistake.
Yeah.
And there's sensing, touching mouse pointer. And so once it's touched, so this had, so the cat can say that once that is touching the mouse, once that is touching this, this would actually move to a different place, which is in the motions box.
Oh, you can link all these together.
Yeah.
So when you click, you can make it move somewhere.
Yeah. And in the events box or control, there's some boxes there for this if it needed to, and there is a touching colors, so it can touch colors. There's like a purple, green, dark green, and there's a distance to the mouse pointer. And they're gonna ask, and there's an ask place. So once you click it here, you can do this. What's your name? And then you can put your name. And then you can answer it. And then And then after that, you can put nice name. Nice name. Are you a cat? And you can say yes or no, or you can say, do you have a cat? Is for asking. You can say yes or no if you do have a cat. I don't have a cat because I'm kind of allergic to cats.
Oh.
And then if you click the click flag button, it would start over and over again. And then you can say yes or no if you have another cat. Like 1 cat or 2 cats, that's all.
Oh, good. And thank you, Sammy, for joining us today and explaining about Scratch. I'm hopeful that a lot of the people who are watching this video are interested towards doing Scratch, and they'll start doing it right away. And do you have any message for them?
Yes, I have a message that I also have a channel that this video is posting in my channel right now, and that would also be posting in your channel right now.
Yeah, most probably I will also be posting in my channel because I'm also part of this video. Yeah.
And you can also change your title if you want to, if it's kind of bad or whatever. I'm just gonna put it back to the other title because I like the title. And if people are seeing your project, you can click that see inside, and then you can see what I did. And you can click that green flag forever if you want to watch it again.
Yeah.
And there's instructions so if you're making games projects, you can tell them what to do.
If I wanted to tell what this project is going to do so that people know what they need to do if they wanted to play with this project, right?
Yeah, and notes and credits are some people that helped me from my artwork. And also I made this project, and also you can tell what you made this project by. And did you use ideas, scripts, artwork from other people? You can thank them here. So you can ask them, thank you so much for helping me, whoever it is. Or you can ask, thank you for helping me, whoever it is. Or give a shout out to whoever it is. And the instructions are here. Yeah, you can tell what people need to do. If there is a box, you should answer it. Answer it.
Nice.
And you can put a shout out to people who are watching this project, or the people who are helping you with this project. And I don't have much more people helping me with this project. So once I maybe make some like remixes from other people. Like this one's a remix that I made a remix from those people. I just pretend like this is some people who helped me. And I just told Roblox is good once I have Roblox. Like, please don't remix, and I need it. Roblox is good. and people make such good characters. And this is a queen, I guess. They make other people's projects are good, and you can make a studio. So if you're sharing your projects, you can share the projects. If you're unsharing your projects that you don't want to show for real, you can unshare them.
You have about 49 shared projects and 17 unshared projects.
Yeah.
Good.
The 911 studios. So these are the studios. There's 911 studios, there's Remix Studios, and Heline Studios. So the Heline Studios are shared projects people like, and the Remix Studio is my projects that are remix or the other projects that were remix, and the 911 Studios are 911 projects.
Oh, nice.
And there's only two: Funny Animations, 911, and also the 911 Emergency. This one's kind of funny. Like, once you look here.
Hey Sammy, I know you can go on and on for whole day, but we have a time limit. I think we are done for today.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for joining us and explaining everything.
Yeah.
And we will see what else you can do in the future, and then probably have follow up with another video as well.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for joining.
You're welcome.
And thank you all for watching.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my dad's channel. Of course, he only has 5 subscribers, I guess. And I have like a lot of subscribers than him. So, and hit that notification bell to our channels. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.